Macele was complaining about Makhumalo what she did last time. Makhumalo bring another woman in Muzumbe to carry a child on her behalf. So she doesn't want to do IVF. That person was going to sleep with her husband Musamseleko. That's why Mangwabe and Mayeni they got upset and Makhumalo didn't tell Macele. So Macele she came very angry. She heard those news. But Macele tells Mangwabe and Mayeni that I don't want to be involved because Macele was waiting at the time to come. That's why Macele told Musamseleku to marry Makwela and Makhumalo she got upset. What I saw Makhumalo sometimes she want to control everything, everyone. Sometimes Macele she can keep quiet, but those people they've got many things to say. Even Mayeni last time she says I don't want to say many things about Makhumalo. Guys, there is many things happened behind the cameras about Makhumalo. That's why Macele was starting exposing Makhumalo, exposing Makhumalo. Makhumalo doesn't explain the whole story to people. Even those things about IVF thing, what, we don't know that Musamseleku and Makhumalo, they tried to do IVF several times. Imagine, several times. That's Macele was explaining. But Makhumalo didn't say those things. Makhumalo says Musamseleku is refusing to have IVF. And people, we are starting insulting Musamseleku to defend Makhumalo. But Musamseleku and other wives, they don't say many things because Mangwawe she got angry. That person want to sleep with the Musamseleku. It means that Makhumalo was bringing another woman to sleep with their husband, and you know that men they'll end up marrying that woman without Macele consent. What I saw to Makhumalo didn't respect Macele at the first time because she was doing her own things without telling Macele what I saw, because she have to respect Macele first. That's why Macele doesn't want Makhumalo, because sometimes she is too forward when she is doing her own thing. Because when it's IVF, I don't think that maybe Macele she can get upset about IVF thing, but it's about that woman was coming to sleep with Musamselek. What Makhumalo she did is wrong. I love my Makhumalo, but what she did to that issue, or maybe she was desperate, I don't know, because IVF thing sometimes is very expensive when they are doing that process. So she want to be on shortcut, but that shortcut it was going to destroy the whole family, because Mayeni got upset and she go back to her parents' house in Mangwabe. At that time, they are not staying in Muzumbe. Yes, you can get upset because they had an agreement that they can't bring another woman. But Makhumalo bring another woman to have a child with her husband on her behalf. I think that it was wrong. And Makhumalo didn't explain the whole story to people, even about the child. I don't understand Makhumalo. I don't trust her sometimes, because some of the things other people they are talking about here, we don't understand what's going on. You understand it? Macele, you've got something, many things to say about Makhumalo. That's why Macele now is supporting Musamseleko, because she knows that Makhumalo sometimes she want to play. Those people, Makhumalo and Macele, they are playing games, the two of them. You understand? When Makhumalo is supporting Musamseleko, Macele doesn't support Musamseleko. When Macele is supporting Musamseleko, Makhumalo is not supporting Musamseleko. That's why Macele decide to tell Musamseleko direct that if we want many kids, it's better to marry Makwela, not to hide some of the things to me. I think it was very, very bad Makhumalo she did. I love her, but what the decision she do to bring someone in Muzumbe without Macele's consent. Even Macele is not staying in Muzumbe, but she have to respect that Macele is the first wife. She have to respect that. Why now Musamseleku doesn't bring Makwela? Because those Makhumalo, Mangwabe, and Mayeni, they are not staying in Muzumbe. Musamseleku is still respecting them because his old wives. The same way Musamseleku was doing it for Macele. Even Macele was not staying in Muzumbe, but was the first wife